have this G37S. It's got an exhaust leak. We put some header, exhaust test pipes on it, and now the gasket they came with, it's making noise. So we're gonna replace it with a Nissan gasket. So we'll show you how the car sounds at startup. Go ahead, hit it. So if you can hear, exhaust leak, that shit sounds horrible. My boy's been driving around for a while. He hates that shit. So we're gonna replace it. We're gonna show you how to do it. So stay tuned. So. Alright, turn it off. Turn it off. So that's the leak right there. Yeah, we did the passenger side last time. Now we're doing the driver's side. All right. So we got the pipe, the test pipe out on that side. We cleaned off this side, so make sure the surface is clean. You don't want it looking like that. Like that. The gasket came right off. Gotta clean that up. Gotta clean this up too a little bit. But make sure everything's clean. We got the new gaskets. We'll show you how to put those on. Make sure that's clean also.
Look at where it blue right there.
That's where it blue. It's cheap gaskets, so we put in an OEM one. Stay tuned. So I cleaned it up and I put the new gasket on there with some RTV just to hold it up, because there's no other way to put it up there. And then I cleaned that side. And then I cleaned that side. And so yeah, that side. So you make sure everything's clean, don't cheap out, and you clean it off with a wheel like this, with a rough sand grade thing. And this works perfect. So now we gotta bolt it up and finish the job. All right, so we're getting ready to install. I put the bolts through there, brand new bolts. I always like to use new bolts. The stud's fine. I rethreaded it, just make sure everything's good. You can see the leak where it was too on the sides. It's pouring out through the sides. Now it's gonna be fresh, little ring joint. So now I'm gonna slide it in and bolt it up. And we're going snowboarding tomorrow. My dude over there working on boards. All right, so everything's back on. We got a new gasket, new bolts. We tighten them up. L2 centered, everything's back on as supposed to. And there you go. That's how you fix these leaks. Now we're gonna turn it on and make sure we don't have any leaks. Go ahead. This is the startup right after this. So we finished the car. You heard sound. I'm wearing my safety equipment, so I'm going snowboarding tomorrow. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Peace.